Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever had one of those days where your morning commute feels more like a scene from a Mad Max movie? You're dodging potholes like they're landmines, and just when you think you've escaped the chaos, you hit that one red light that seems to last longer than a Netflix buffering symbol. Well, today, I'm here to introduce you to something that could turn that chaos into a joyride: the District Street. So, the District Street, a vehicle so versatile it's redefining what we thought we knew about e-mobility. Is it an e-bike, an e-moped, an electric motorcycle? The District Street is so unique I half expect it to start hosting motivational seminars about self-discovery. It offers an accessible seat height of 32 inches, which you can lower to 30 inches if you're feeling fancy. Or, let's be real, if you just want to get your feet on the ground a little faster when you stop at those red lights. The saddle measures a generous 21.6 inches long, complete with 2.75 inches of padding. And don't get me started on the headlight. With an optional DOT, CE, and E-Mark certified 5.7-inch diameter, it projects between 2,050 to 3,240 lumens. That's like having a mini sun on the front of your ride. So bright, you could probably blind the guy who cut you off the other day. Now, let's talk about modes, because the District Street isn't just a one-trick pony. It's got 4 modes. Mode 1 is a Class 2 e-bike at 750 watts, with a top speed of 27 miles per hour. That's about 43 km per hour. Mode 2 bumps it up to an e-moped with a limit of 37 miles per hour, 60 km/h. By the time you hit Mode 3, you're zooming as an e-motorcycle at 70 miles per hour, 113 km/h. And for those of you with a need for speed, Mode 4 is a performance e-motorcycle, also topping out at 70 miles per hour, but with an extra punch that'll have you feeling like you're in a Fast and Furious film. What really sets the District Street apart, though, is its innovative jackshaft system. It allows the belt and chain to rotate independently, eliminating squat and chain growth. You know what that means? Less maintenance. I don't know about you, but I'm all for anything that gives me more time to binge watch my favorite series instead of cleaning greasy parts. The 72-volt core battery packs provide a range of 40 to 120 miles, 64 to 193 kilometers, depending on how you're riding. With a charge time of just 1.5 to 5.5 hours, you can plug it in while you take a nap, or more realistically, while you scroll through social media. Plus, it has a peak power of 17 kilowatts, torque of 280 newmeters, and horsepower around 23, giving you all the torque you need to feel like a superhero. Finally, if you're worried about safety, the District Street has got your back. With Magura hydraulic brakes, you'll stop on a dime, and the waterproof backlit LCD screen keeps you informed in any weather. Plus, it even comes with a 2-year manufacturer defect warranty, because they're confident you're not going to turn it into a lawn ornament.